Hello Shawn, it's Zurab here at Vos Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2014 Mercedes-Benz GL 350 Bluetec. It's a diesel. As you see, the vehicle looks just amazing in the pictures and in the video as well. Has very nice AMG rims, has some extensions to the fenders. It's a dark gray on a dark brown interior here. This is kind of very nice dark brown matte in color trim. Of course, push start button right there. First the button starts. Perfect. The back seats, I guess I need to adjust. So it has 116,000 kilometers on it. Memory seats, folding mirrors, climate control, of course heated seats, has a GPS as you see, Bluetooth. These are all the charging cables installed by previous owner, and there was some suctions as a phone holders installed here. So when we remove that, I think this is gonna flatten out when it gets warm or when it gets hot, so it should come out. Black ceiling. I'm gonna get out to show you around through the back. Very clean inside, no odors, I think. So it's a 7-passenger. There are 2 seats in the back and 3 seats in the front. It does have a sunshades for the back, which is very awesome feature. I don't know if you have kids, it's pretty nice. Of course, it has power lift gate, and these are powered. So actually, I'm gonna raise them up. Here we go. Has a tow hitch on it. Tinted rear windows. The brakes were just done. Brand new brakes all around. The engine works very quiet, very smooth, and that's how it looks like. If you have any questions regarding this vehicle, please call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Vehicle is available and is ready to go. Thank you.